We are back with yet another episode of Mind Your Mind series, an initiative by we the members of Yelsa family and Lead India in collaboration with US Embassy. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is really interesting, altruism. I hope everybody must be aware of the great saying, kindliness lies to godliness, which is extreme true. Altruism is just that. It is something that you have to be selfless. You should think about others more than yourself. All around the world, people spend so much of time, energy, efforts on thinking about others, doing something that will benefit someone else, which is really kind of them, really sweet of them. Firstly, a short example is that if you're sitting in a room with someone and you both are hungry, from somewhere you get some food. If you give that food to someone else, you think that someone else is a bit more hungry than you, then that's the selfless attitude. That's what altruism behavior is actually. You must think about others more than yourself. It's spreading positivity, kindness, selflessness, compassion to help others. Let's take a short example. If your life is a garden, you're sowing seeds of kindness, selflessness, compassion, love everywhere all around the garden. Initially, after some time, within a week, within months, or even it might take years, but something good will come out of it. What you sow is what you reap, right? If you're sowing every seed of goodness, kindness, you won't get evilness or badness in return. You will get goodness. It might take some time, it might take a long time, but don't feel demotivated. Guys, it's really important time now that we feel motivated and we keep everyone positive. Because if we are positive and we are helpful for others, same situation will come on us. If to us, others will also help. So it's really important to be altruistic. That behavior shows how you are brought up. If that behavior is something that you will help others, others will help you, and it will create a chain, and there will be kind-hearted people around you. If there are good people, kind-hearted people around you, your surrounding is positive, you are positive, it makes something really productive. So it's very important to be altruistic. It is not a huge phenomenon which can be stretched and made a huge big video on it. It's a short topic that we have to be selfless, we have to be kind-hearted towards others. If I make a huge video and stretch it too much, it would be really complicated for every one of you to understand. I just request everyone to be altruistic in every situation it is possible to you. Sometimes you feel that why should I do it, or why should I help others? But it isn't that, guys. You have to be helpful because that's what you are. God has made you in a certain way and you should create that thing on yourself. You should create positivity on yourself. You should be altruistic, you should be helpful, you should be courteous, you should be generous for everyone else, because that is what you're going to get in return. With this I end this short topic of altruism, and I hope everybody felt something good about it and will try to be altruistic in every situation. Let's meet next week with yet another interesting topic. Till then, bye, take care, stay positive and be altruistic.